Welcome to 13456 Via Varra, Unit 306. The open kitchen has granite tiled counters and a large center island with seating. Enjoy eastern morning sun in the bright living room with large windows and a third floor balcony. The master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with 2 closets, one of which is a walk-in. There's also a second bedroom, full hallway bathroom, and laundry closet with washer and dryer set included. Vantage Pointe is a mix of 2 condo buildings and townhomes. This community has amenities that include an outdoor pool, 2 hot tubs, gyms, fire pits, a barbecue grill, and a clubhouse with a pool table, kitchen, and business center. Walk out the back door and enjoy trails at Rock Creek Farm's open space while also living very conveniently located to a brand new Starbucks. This move-in ready 2-bed, 2-bath Broomfield condo in an amenity-rich community just off Highway 36 is 5 minutes to Flatirons Crossing, 8 minutes to downtown Louisville, and 15 minutes to Boulder. For additional information or to schedule a showing, please contact listing agent Cassidy Benson.